How to use titanium sunroof demo tools. First step is to make sure you connect the plug to the power station. Stick the temperature sensor at the back of the glass. Adjust the light to align with the sensor. Make sure the light is 10 centimeters away from the glass. Press the button for 3 seconds. This is showing the temperature now. It will take some time to heat up. Titanium Sunroof PPF is 7 mil. It comes with heat reflection, anti-stone chip, ultraviolet rejection 99%, infrared rejection 95%, visible light transmission 72%. Install outside of the sunroof. Now you can see the differences between the two temperatures. You can touch and feel both product differences. The demo tool will automatically shut down after 3 minutes.